Sometimes when working with your Photoshop documents, you can create a document that has so many layers that become disorganized and unruly. So let me show you a quick way to go in and manage your layers by color coding them. In this document, I have many different layers. Some are graphic layers, text layers, and other types of layers that might have adjustments. If I select the multiple layers by holding Shift, for example, these two layers, I'm going to hold Shift to select them. And then I'm going to right-click on the visibility icon here on the left, and I'm going to choose to change their color. So I'm going to set them to red, for example, for those graphic images. Now here I have images that are not next to each other, or layers that are not next to each other, and that are performing some kind of adjustment. And so I'm going to color code these green by right-clicking. And then the text layer, I'll right-click here on the text layer once I select it. And I'll make that yellow. So you can see very quickly I can identify each of the different layers within my layers panel because I've color-coded them according to the type of layer that they are.